Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a continuation of our previous trip in Dakshin Kannada. So in this trip we will be going towards Mangalore or Udupi. We are covering probably 2 beaches as we go. It is just 1 day trip. We spent the Saturday doing our trekking and camping. You can see that part of our journey in the links in description below if you have already not checked it yet. And in this video we will cover a short 1 day tour in Mangalore. I mean, it is not enough to cover the entire city of Mangalore in 1 day. It's a very beautiful and green place with lots of sea beach and fun stuff to do. So we would be covering only 2 beaches here. We are currently headed towards the Malpe Beach Sea Walk. There are certain other activities also in Malpe Beach, like boating and stuff, but looks like at the time we visited, or either due to COVID-19 restrictions, those activities were closed. So we just thought about going ahead and chilling by the Malpe Beach Sea Walk. So we are headed from Malpe Beach towards Sihitlu Beach, and in between we stopped for some basic lunch on the way. The road was really beautiful, interspersed with lots of greens and occasional backwaters. We even stopped by the way to take some photos. Mangalore as a whole is a very picturesque place to be in. Around May 2021, Mangalore was affected a lot by Cyclone Tokte. You can see some ruins by the seashore here. Right now, I don't think any people live here anymore in these houses, of course. They're almost ruins. But I just hope that those people are safe and there were no human casualties when these things happened. The only thing we can see is still operational here is the well. It still has water. Probably the people who lived here used it for the drinking water purpose, but right now definitely no one lives here anymore. So nature can be quite merciless at times, as much as it is beautiful. Now the evening was soon to be upon us and we had a long journey to make, so we had to leave this place much sooner than we would have liked to. And we were headed back towards Bangalore, so that kind of puts an end to our weekend trip for Dakshin Kannada, which included a trek with Navagraha camping, and then the next day a short, very fast trip in Mangalore. If you were stuck with me this far, then of course make sure that you like the video if you have really enjoyed watching it, and also comment and let me know if you want something different, and of course stay subscribed to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you know whenever new content is posted you can watch it soon. So all the best, bye bye, see you around.